miss the days of waking up to your face, singing to your silhouette, watching it fade away. You're the one now, where'd you go? This love won't ever dissipate, it's intended to grow. We all search for that certain love that captures the heart like a spike in a glove. You can only love for so long until the love turns to rust and the lyrics in a song, but not me. My love is priceless, I live in love, stay humble and righteous. A chemical romance, we create our own synergy, another perfect balance that live in perfect harmony. I miss you all the time, not a day goes by, we're not running in my mind, but I could wait forever cause there's no time at all. We make up the time machines and connect with it all. You bring the beauty out the base to set them free. You're constantly honest and honestly building constantly. This beast ain't looking for Bella, he wants his dark Cinderella, the one that accepts him forever, for always being himself. There ain't nobody that's better, let's build this love strong together. Let's tangle in the webs of the spiders and live in optimal health. Let's bring the light out of shadows, let's spend our life in the castle. Let's teach these kids how to love unconditionally. I feel is out of this world and trapped in a higher dimension. You'll need divine intervention to unlock its mystery. It's out there somewhere though, listen close and I'll give you a hint. Follow my red road, listen to my soul and bribe it with some mint chocolate chip. That's priceless. If heaven's what you make you get, then I'll make it for you. Filled with your loved ones and you'll have to relive that first precious kiss.